Did you know that companies with effective human resources management, HRM, practices experience up to 22% higher productivity levels? In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, organizations need HR professionals who can navigate the complexities of human capital management and drive strategic initiatives that foster a high-performing workforce. Introducing the Human Resources Management (HRM) training course, a comprehensive program designed to equip HR professionals with the knowledge and skills to lead and optimize HR functions across the entire employee lifecycle. This immersive course covers a wide range of topics, including talent acquisition, employee engagement, performance management, compensation and benefits, and compliance with labor laws and regulations. Participants will learn best practices, emerging trends, and cutting-edge strategies to optimize HR processes, cultivate a positive organizational culture, and align HR initiatives with business objectives. For organizations, investing in HRM training can lead to improved talent attraction and retention, increased employee engagement and productivity, and a competitive edge in navigating the ever-changing landscape of human capital management. By aligning HR strategies with business goals, companies can unlock the full potential of their workforce and drive long-term success. Individuals who complete this course will emerge as strategic HR partners, capable of driving transformative change and shaping the future of their organizations. They'll gain the expertise to lead and optimize HR functions, navigate complex challenges, and position HR as a strategic partner in achieving business objectives. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your HR game and unlock the full potential of your organization's most valuable asset, its people. Enroll in the Human Resources Management (HRM) training course today and join the ranks of HR professionals shaping the future of their organizations. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and embark on a journey of HR excellence.